What? I don't want to talk. Going to sleep. What? Are you serious? Duh.
2 hours later.
Whoa. I feel so refreshed. What time is it? It's only 7:30. 7:30. I'm late for work.
39 launch from test 1502.
Do better. What the heck? We on the side of the road. Me and my boy James. What we doing today, James? Yo, my boy broke a wheel bearing. My boy broke a wheel bearing on this truck. Ain't no regular tire. I know it's a little heavy. We in bamboo too. Hey, can you go forward with it? Go forward. Can you roll forward? No?
All them brakes.
All right, hold on.
Yes.
Hold on, let me try to make it happen. Using my body. Hold on real quick, man. Hold on, I'm coming back a little bit. I can't roll past it. Uh-oh. I'm trying to keep the branches out the way. Come on out there. Uh-oh. I'm gonna stumble. I got it. Yeah. Trying to get my balance, huh? All right, hold on. Let me level. Break it out. There it is. The bamboo. Shit. How you feel, James? You got your wheel back, boy. The bamboo, we thought the bamboo ate the wheel in time. But, no, save the day.
You know, the first thing I ask people when they call me about something broken, what led up to this? Was it making any noise? Was something broken already? Was it why? Like, tell me. Tell me why I go to remove the cap off this mug. I don't know why my wheel came off. Broke the hub. Bruh, it's a 6-bolt wheel, right? I only see uno, dos, tres. What happened to the other 3? Come on, people. Oh, you mean that ain't supposed to be like that? You mean, what? You mean tell me somebody from the factory, they put only 3 on? Come on, bro. It ain't in the cap. Wait. It's not in here. And it's not on there. Where that though? You're killing me, people. You're killing me.
All right, so here's the update for you. So I'm running a quote for this customer. Like I said, the truck's at a shop. He had towed to a shop. These guys put it on the lift and they
assessed the situation, did evaluation, all that stuff, and diagnosis. And they basically ran him a quote. It was pretty far up there. They were only replacing what was actually broken. There was no modification, no, nothing special out of this. At this point, I told him, I said, man, by the time I buy you some new parts, I could actually rebuild that entire front end for you cheaper than what they were quoting to fix the particular parts that were damaged. I said, man, I can get you all new calipers, rotors, hubs, new lower control arms and upper control arms, rather than ball joints here and here, there. He's worried about some of them being bent and this and that and the other. So I said, dude, look, we're just going to replace the entire arm. That way you don't have to fight that. So a little bit here, a little bit there. I said, I can do this, I can do that. So we're going to fix pretty much the entire front end of this truck. For the price of what these guys at the shop, we're going to charge him for the pieces here and there. One piece here on one side, one piece on the other side. I said, dude, we're going to cut that out. We're going to drop everything. We're going to start from scratch. We're going to have brand new, pretty much everything on that front end. So for now, he's actually at the shop now, getting the truck scheduled for pickup by tow truck. And he's going to have it dropped off here. And I'm going to begin the breakdown process, as well as new parts on the way. So this will conclude the video for now. I'm going to do another video with the breakdown process, hopefully, as well as the truck arrival and new parts coming in, as well as the reassemble, complete finished product and the reaction of the customer when he sees it. So stay tuned. It's going to be interesting. Going to be some things you haven't seen before. I'm not against working on things that have been broken. I mean, it's suspension, it can be fixed. There's always a way to fix things. So stay tuned. There's more coming. Don't you worry. One Fab. We're out.